Hello, language enthusiasts. Ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to decline but didn't know how? Today, we'll explore 10 gracious ways to say no without offending anyone. First up, sounds nice, but I am not available. Perfect for social invites you can't attend. I am honored that you asked me, but I can't do it. A gentle decline to an offer or responsibility. When you're genuinely busy, I'm sorry, but I can't help you at this time. Unfortunately, it's not a good time is apt for unplanned requests. For future possibilities, I am available at the moment, but maybe next time. I really appreciate you asking me, but I can't commit to that right now. When you value the offer but can't accept. And for those casual moments, thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. Or simply and straightforwardly, no, thanks. Each phrase has its unique charm and appropriateness for various scenarios. Imagine a friend invites you to a weekend trip, but you already have plans. Sounds nice, but I am not available, is your go-to. Or you're asked to volunteer for an event on short notice, unfortunately, it's not a good time, saves the day. For a project proposal when you're swamped with other tasks, I'm honored that you thought of me, but I can't do it, conveys respect. When someone offers you extra dessert but you're full, a simple no, thanks will do. Each refusal, while being polite, communicates boundaries, ensuring your relationships remain harmonious. So, the next time you need to decline, remember, you have numerous gracious ways to do so. Challenge yourself to use these phrases and witness the magic it does in maintaining relations. Let's dive deeper into a few scenarios. Say, you're asked to join a workout class, but it's not your style. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't, strikes the balance. Or a coworker invites you to a party on a night you need rest. I really appreciate the invite, but maybe next time. The beauty of these phrases lies in their flexibility and the positive tone they maintain while saying no. By now, you're equipped with a toolkit of polite refusals. Employ them in conversations and notice the understanding they foster. Remember, it's not just about declining. It's about valuing the relationship and expressing your inability in a considerate manner. Imagine you're at a book club, and someone suggests a genre you're not fond of. Instead of bluntly dismissing the idea, you can say, sounds interesting, but it's not really my style. At work, if a colleague invites you to a webinar that doesn't align with your interests, a tactful "I appreciate the invite, but I'll have to pass this time" keeps the rapport intact. When a neighbor offers you some homemade food that doesn't suit your palate, thanks for thinking of me, but I'm good for now is a gentle way to decline. In a scenario where a friend insists on setting you up on an activity, and you're not interested, I value your effort, but I'm not looking for that right now is a considerate refusal. If someone asks for your opinion on a topic you'd rather not discuss, a simple "I'd rather not comment on that, but thanks for asking" maintains the conversation's harmony. And when a salesperson at a store offers you a product demo, "Thank you for the information, but I'm just browsing today" is a polite way to continue your shopping without interruption. The key is to be genuine, respectful, and clear in your communication. By doing so, you not only protect your boundaries but also nurture your relationships. Remember, it's all about finding the balance between being assertive and being kind. With these phrases in your arsenal, you're well equipped to navigate any situation with grace. Thank you for joining us for this extended exploration. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more nuanced language content.